Well guys, I'm going to start off my road trip to Arizona. It is a very loud Friday morning. Anyways, as I was saying, it's too loud out there. I'm about to go to Arizona right now. About to meet up with some friends in Scottsdale and some Florida friends actually who all own C63s, funnily enough. We're just going to hang out there, but I'm in Orange County right now, obviously. So it's going to be about a 6-hour drive, so it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to try and get the most MPG as possible. What's the point of doing that in a C63? Well, the reason is this. I went on a road trip like, I don't know, about a week ago to Northern California in the SLS, and we got about 15 MPG with like some spirited driving and stuff like that. So I'm thinking I can do around 20 MPG on the freeway if I really, I'm careful about it. So let's see if we can do that. Also, there is a beautiful classic Ferrari right over there. That is awesome. I'll update you guys along the way. About 45 minutes into the drive, you can see I'm getting 20.8 MPG so far, which is pretty good. A little bit of traffic going inland, but not too bad. Here we're just over 3 hours in, over 200 miles so far, about the same MPG, clearer than Arizona, but yeah, just desert and more desert. Rocks. Lots and lots of rocks. That's kind of what we got going on over here. Nothing too crazy, just a bunch of rocks. A little over an hour to go. Looks like we're gonna hit some traffic very soon, probably around closer to Phoenix and Scottsdale area. Instead about 20 minutes of traffic, so that's gonna be fun. MPG has dropped from 22.8 was the highest to 20.2, just because I've been like trying to pass people and stuff. Had I been more disciplined, we probably could have gotten 22, 23. It just kind of goes to show these cars, when you're not really stressing them out, you're just doing freeway cruising. I mean, when I say not stressing out, I mean doing like pretty good speeds. I'm not gonna say what speeds because that would be incriminating. Yeah, it does pretty good, and I'm not gonna play about it at all. Got to Brendan's place in Scottsdale with this T05. Shout out Brenden. Just after I got there, I went to the airport to get the Florida boys, Jack and the cruise. The next morning was the sick Scottsdale cars and coffee. Lots of cool cars there, like really insane. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thanks. Look at that RS. Represent. It's like a shiny suit. I was told the R34 makes 1,000 horsepower. Yeah. This thing's an E92 M3 pretty cool because it's kind of the predecessor to the car me and Aiden have been working on for a while. His car's D28, the next gen 5 Series after this one. I'm also a 535i, so kind of cool to see the predecessor in such a mint condition, probably well maintained and stuff. I mean, that's cool, but like, this is... Sheesh. Bone stock FD, never seen that before. Some E36 LTW action. Overall, just a really nice variety of cars. You had like classics, you had new cars, a lot of Corvettes, a lot of supercars, JDM stuff. It was awesome. The original Alpine A110, pretty sick. Never seen one of those before.
There's a center cap.
If you find yourself in Scottsdale and you like older European cars, BMWs, Mercedes, you have to make a deployment of Proper Performance Motors. They have some of the best examples of just well-spec'd M cars. That's a full CSL replica to the brakes, the wheels, OEM bumpers and stuff. You also got to go to Luxury Auto Collection in Scottsdale. They got 2 6x6s there right now. One's a real one, one's a replica, whatever. But just the cars they have there is just insane. Huge space too. Some SLS Roadster action over here. Alright, so what are your thoughts on the SLS Roadster over here?
Why would you put ceramics on a Roadster?
I think it's a valid question. I don't know about that. Hey Jack, can you demonstrate the bounce for us? Is this from 488 Pasta? Final edition. Got the exposed carbon. Ooh. Diamond stitching. Black Series wing. Honestly, not a huge fan of the wing on the non-Black Series, but shout out to Trev for showing us this 1,000 horsepower supercharged Black Series replica build. It is a rep, but all OEM body panels, so it's pretty cool. This car was so loud, like my microphone wouldn't even pick up the sound of it. You can kind of tell it kind of cuts out there, but yeah. We then went to Function Factory Performance to do Brendan's rear brake pads on his 205. They've clearly got some cool stuff going on. That GT500 track build and this whole EcoBoost drift car, all pretty sweet. And that basically concludes my Scottsdale trip, and after this I basically just went home. And we returned to the very beautiful scenery of desert and not even any cactus. Of course, I got to fill up, but I didn't even track MPG this time on the way back. I think it was like 19 or 18, but you know you're in Palm Springs when you see all the windmills just kind of doing their own thing in the middle of nowhere. It's kind of funny to look at. Had a great time out in Scottsdale, meeting all the guys and just having fun with cars and stuff. And shout out to Brenden again for letting me stay at his place. That was awesome.